ABC and BD are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangles ABC and BD is. Given ABC is an equilateral triangle, so area triangle ABC is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. A square means any side you can take. Here BC square by area triangle BDE. BDE is also an equilateral triangle. So its area is root 3 by 4 A square. A square means any one side of triangle BDE. So I am taking it as BD square. So root 3 by 4 gets cancelled. BC square by BD is nothing but half of BC. Because D is the midpoint of BC, BD is half of BC. So BC square by 4. That is BC square into 4 by BC square. BC square gets cancelled. So this is 4 by 1. That is nothing but 4:1. So option C, 4:1. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio. As we know that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides of the triangle. Here the required ratio of areas of these triangles is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is 4 by 9 whole square, that is 4 square by 9 square, that is 16 by 81. So the correct answer is option D, 16:81. In the given figure, two line segments AC and BD intersect each other at the point P such that PA is equal to 6 centimeters, PB is equal to 3 centimeters, PC is equal to 2.5 centimeters, PD is equal to 5 centimeters, and angle APB is 50 degrees and angle CDP is 30 degrees. Then we need to find angle PBA. First of all, if you consider triangle DPC, angle in triangle DPC, angle D is equal to 30 degrees given. Angle DPC is equal to angle APB, that is equal to 50 degrees, vertically opposite angles. So angle C is equal to 100 degrees by angle sum property. Okay, now PA by PB is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2, and DP by CP is equal to 5 by 2.5, that is 2, and angle APB is equal to angle DPC, that is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, triangle APB is similar to triangle DPC by SAS criteria. So, angle DCP
I hope you are liking the video. Please do subscribe and let's continue.
E is equal to angle ABP, that is equal to 100 degrees. So the angle PBA is equal to 100 degrees. If in two triangles ABC and PQR, AB by QR is equal to BC by PR is equal to CA by PQ, then so option A here, what is the corresponding side of AB? QR. The corresponding side of BC is PR. The corresponding side of CA is PQ. Now option A, triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. So PQ, what is the corresponding side of PQ? It is given here AB, but actually corresponding side of PQ is CA. So option A is wrong. Then option B, triangle CBA is similar to triangle PQR. What is the corresponding side of CB? RP. But here it is given PQ. So option B is also wrong. Then option C, triangle BCA is similar to triangle PQR. What is the corresponding side of BC? PR. But here it is given PQ. So option C is also wrong. What is option D? Triangle PQR is similar to triangle CAB. What is the corresponding side of PQ? CA. What is the corresponding side of QR? AB. What is the corresponding side of PR? It is BC. So option D, triangle PQR is similar to triangle CAB is correct. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, area triangle ABC by area triangle DEF is equal to 9 by 25 and BC is equal to 21 centimeters, then EF is equal to. We know that ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So, area triangle ABC by area triangle DEF is equal to 9 by 25. This is what is given. 9 by 25 is nothing but 3 by 5 whole square. So, BC by EF is equal to 3 by 5. We know the value of BC. What is BC? 21 centimeters by EF is equal to 3 by 5. Now cross multiplication. So EF is equal to 21 into 5 by 3. 3 in 21 7 times. So 7 5s are 35. So option C 35 centimeters. If triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ and PQ by XY is equal to 5 by 2, then area triangle XYZ by area triangle PQR. So given PQ by XY is equal to 5 by 2. So XY by PQ is equal to 2 by 5. Now area triangle XYZ by area triangle PQR is equal to 2 by 5 whole square. That is 4 by 25. Option C 4 by 25 is correct. In triangle ABC, if AB is equal to 13 centimeters, BC is equal to 12 centimeters and AC is equal to 5 centimeters, then the triangle is right angled at. In a right angle triangle, the side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse and hypotenuse is the longest side. So, here A, B, C. This is given like this. AB is 13 centimeters and BC is 12 centimeters and AC is 5 centimeters. We know that the side which is opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse and here the hypotenuse is AB. So, it is right angled at C. Option C is correct answer. If in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB by BC is equal to DE by FD, then both will be similar when? So ABC, triangle ABC, triangle DEF. AB by B, given AB by BC is equal to DE by FD. So AB by BC. So what is the included angle between AB and BC? Angle B. And what is the angle included between DE and FD? DE and FD. So if angle B is equal to angle D, then these two triangles will be similar to each other. So option C, angle B is equal to angle D.